Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5068861 on your Windows 11 computer because of these error codes. So if you are receiving this error code, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause option, hit pause over here. And once paused you can resume the updates and then check. Still not working. Start these services. Now for this type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then click on OK. Make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then click on OK. Make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, then click on restart. Now you can update. Still not working. If you see retry option like this, you can click on retry and then check. Still not working. The next step is to run this command. So type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. And then click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command. Paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command. Paste it on the same window, and once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now over here, write down the name of the update on this website. That is KB5068861. Then click on search and then check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. For me, it's version 25H2. And then you can check the system type. So go to system, Windows settings, system, scroll down, go to about option. And over here, in my case, it's 64-bit operating system. Let me change the language over here. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download. And then click on KB5068861 update over here. Click on it and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually. Once installed, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. Next step is to fix problems using Windows Update. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, advanced option, scroll down, click on recovery. And here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Then restart your computer. And when you restart your computer, you will see like if you have version 24H2, you will see the repair version. If you have Windows version 25H2, you will see the repair version. Now you can try to install the update and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now. And then you can run this exe file. When you run this exe file, you will see accept option. Click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save, and let the download complete. This will take some time. Once done, click on finish option and then let it close automatically and then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.